that, baby? Whoa!
He doesn't look so scared.
Oh. I want to see his face. He obviously can't see us. Can he?
There's like flesh on that bone too.
Ew, let's see what he was eating. Nasty. Baby. Growl. That's a roar. Whoa. Hi. Hey, Bubbles. Hi.
He's looking outside.
He's looking at the lion. Here, we'll give him a hug. Whoa, he came right here. Don't knock on the window. Because I said so. Go by face. By say honey, baby. Go by honey. Whoa. Say hi. He's looking at you. He's looking at you. Don't get scared. Don't get scared. Go say hi. Go say hi.
She's behind
Oh, Alyssa.
the
You're a little tougher. Go say hi, baby. No? Okay.